Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to automatically add new WooCommerce customers to Encharge contacts. So let us begin with a small example. So this is a WooCommerce registration page and a person called as Neil Gary is going to register as a new WooCommerce customer. So these are the details. We have the first name as Neil, then we have the last name as Gary. This is the username and this is basically the email address. Let me just correct this. Okay, so this is the email address neil67@gmail.com and of course these are the passwords. So let me just click on create account. Okay, so the account is getting created. So the idea is that once a new customer registers on WooCommerce, he will be automatically added as a contact in Encharge. So the customer is getting created. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so it is showing the account has been registered successfully. As you can see, Neil Gary has been added as a customer in WooCommerce, in my WooCommerce store. So I'm just going to take you to Encharge. Okay, so let me just refresh this contact page and hopefully we can find a person called as nope. The data hasn't arrived. Let me just refresh this again. So as you can see, after refreshing this 2 times, we have got the data. So we have the name that is Neil, then we have the last name as Gary, and this is of course the email address neil67@gmail.com. This is the full name. So basically a new contact has been added in Encharge from the data of WooCommerce. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from WooCommerce to Encharge? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as PabliConnect that integrates WooCommerce and Encharge. Now the best part of using PabliConnect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Furthermore, here we are creating a contact in Encharge from the data of WooCommerce. But with PabliConnect, you can create contact in similar email marketing tools like ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, Aweber. The process is almost the same. Okay, so let me show you the process. So basically in the new tab, just type pably.com, 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 press enter. So this is the website of pably.com. Hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of PabliConnect. All you have to do is just click up sign up for free. Here you can build an account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so let me just click on sign in. Okay, so here just scroll down in the app section, you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as WooCommerce to Encharge. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally up to you. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with these 2 windows? Well, if you're talking about automation in PabliConnect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger says when this happens, then that should be done. For example, if a new customer is created in WooCommerce, that is basically the trigger. Now the action is you are going to create a contact in Encharge. Now using these 2 windows, we are going to create a workflow to integrate WooCommerce to Encharge. Now there is something I have to tell you. After I have built the workflow, I will make sure that the link of the workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account to begin your automation journey. Okay, so in the trigger window, we are going to select the choose app as WooCommerce. WooCommerce it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as customer created. Customer created, where is customer created, updated, new customer created. This is the one we want. Okay, so as you can see, the trigger event is new customer created. We do have a ton of trigger events, but in case if you want more trigger events, just approach the help section. So when you click on the help section, you will be directed to Pably forums, and in Pably forums, you can make a request that you want so and so trigger events. So let me just cancel this. So the gist is we are just trying to integrate WooCommerce to PabliConnect and receive the data when a new customer is created. So we are going to work with some process. So let us have a look. So first of all, we have to go to WooCommerce and then we have to go to settings. So this is my WooCommerce page. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to enter my admin as well as password. Okay, so this is the dashboard of WordPress and let me show you that I have a plugin that is WooCommerce installed in my system. So yeah, as you can see, WooCommerce is already installed in WordPress. And what I'm going to do here is, first of all, I'm just going to click on settings. So this is the part we first go to WooCommerce and then just click on the settings. So we have reached the settings page, then what? Then we have to go to the advanced tab and just click on webhooks. So this is the advanced tab, we click here and then we have to click on webhooks. Okay, so after that what we have to do? So you will have to figure out a way to click on add webhook button and after that you will find webhooks data box. Okay, so we are first going to click on add webhook button. Okay, and this is the webhook data box and we are going to fill in some details. So we have to fill in the name, okay, change the status to active and make the sure that the topic is customer created. Okay, easy. So first of all, we have to give a name. I'm going to assign a very random name. So I'm just going to give it as WooCommerce, WooCommerce Encharge. Just a simple name. Of course, you can give any name. It's totally up to you. Now the status has to be changed to active. And the topic is customer created. Excellent. So let's have a look. Customer created. Okay. So what's the deal with customer created? What's the meaning of topic? Basically, it means that whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, the data will be sent. Now the question is, data will be sent where? Now that's the important question. So we have to send a delivery URL. Okay, so the data will be sent to this particular URL. So I'm just going to copy this. This is the delivery URL or the webhook URL. You copy this and you just paste it here. Okay, the secret will remain empty and the API version will remain same. Just click on save webhook. Okay, so the webhook is getting saved. Basically, this means that we have an integration between WooCommerce and PabliConnect. Excellent. We have webhook has been updated successfully. Basically, this means whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, PabliConnect will capture the data. So to ensure that PabliConnect captures this data, just click on this button, recapture webhook response. Click this and just click on yes. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me just go to WooCommerce. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on visit site. Okay, and I'm just going to log out of my current profile. I'm sorry, we actually have to go to visit store. Okay, and we are going to log out of our current profile. And then once again, we are going to make an entry as a new customer. So I'm just going to click on logout. Okay, and after that, we are just going to click on register. So this is how a customer will register. So we are going to fill some details. So the name of the person is Jenny. And the last name is Pax, Jenny Pax. We have the username as Pax12. This is the username. And then we have the email as jennypax234@gmail.com. Okay, then we can enter some password. So this is the password. And let me just confirm the password. Okay, I think we are ready. So let me just click on create account. A new customer called as Jenny Pax is registering to my WooCommerce store. So the idea is that once Jenny Pax registers to my WooCommerce store, the data will also be sent to PabliConnect because PabliConnect is integrated with WooCommerce. So it is trying to register. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the registration has been made under Jenny Pax. So the data will automatically load to PabliConnect. So let's have a look. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the data. We have the email as jennypax234@gmail.com. We have the first name as Jenny. We have the last name as Pax. She is a new customer. And this is the username. So using all these details, we are going to create a contact in Encharge. And this is how you do it. You go to the action window and in the choose app, you select Encharge. Okay, Encharge it is. Then in the action event, how about we make it as add or update a person? We select this and simply just click on connect. We go to the new connection, just click on connect with Encharge. Okay, so now PabliConnect is demanding access to my Encharge account. So before you press allow, let me just tell you something. PabliConnect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So let me just click on allow on the basis of that trust. Authorization successful, just press OK. So as you can see, we have some fields. We have email, first name, last name, name, and all those fields. The purpose of these fields is very simple. We are going to create a new contact in Encharge from the data that we have received from WooCommerce via PabliConnect. So we have the first field, the email. Now, if you may remember, the email was jennypax234@gmail.com. So we are going to map that particular detail here. So we click here, okay, and we click on the first accordion, and this is the email, and we have mapped it. Easy. Then we have the first name. So I think the first name was Jenny, and we have mapped it. Then we have the last name. So the last name was Pax, and we have mapped it. Now, in case if you want, we can also add the username. Okay, so that is Pax12, and we have mapped it. But we don't have any data regarding the company, website, salutation, title, lead score, or rest of these IDs. Okay, but I think in case of a user ID, okay, we can actually map the user ID. So I'm just going to remove this from here, and I'm going to map this particular detail here. So user ID was Pax12. So we have mapped sufficient details. Other than this, we don't have any data regarding the country, city, state, or postcode, or rest of them. So what I'm going to do here is we already have sufficient details. Let me just click on save and send test request to create a contact. So let me do that. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let me just straight away take you to Encharge. So this is the contact page, okay, where all the contacts are stored, and let me just refresh this. Yes, we do have Jenny Pax. So these are the details of Jenny Pax, okay. These are all the details. Now, in case if you want more of these details like the address, country, city, you should be adding more fields to your WooCommerce registration page. Okay, so the presence of this data shows that we have a successful integration between WooCommerce and Encharge. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize all of my windows. So first I'm going to minimize this action window, and I'm going to minimize the triggered window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated WooCommerce to PabliConnect, and then you have integrated PabliConnect to Encharge. So now there is a perfect flow of data between WooCommerce and Encharge. Not just these two apps, you can integrate ton of applications and automate your business with PabliConnect. You can directly access PabliConnect and workflow from the links I have added in the description box. Furthermore, if you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabli.com. And if you really found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.